Shahid Afridi is here. Not even one. In business straight away. Over the boundary for 6. Now he's gone over cover and that's a monster. .78m6.
The one on the onside, this one he just moved away, making room, and what a cracking shot that is from Shahid Afridi.
Now that's a long way up. Fielder will just watch it sail over. And once again, I think he might just have chipped it marginally.
Picked up 3 sixes. He's not going to hold himself back. That is another one.
Now over long off. Push the boundaries to Chittagong at one end and Cox's Bazar at the other, and they'll still not be enough.
You really think so? Well, that is a really big shot.
There he goes! That's the biggest of them all. That is in orbit. 35 from 9 balls. The expressions have changed like someone's erased them.
Enormous, huge. That's gone a long way. And the run rate now simply under 10 runs in an over, 9.35. What a turnaround.
There, that's in his own. And he can hit it safely for 4. Because cover and mid offer in. And he's on to 41. He's connected this one and it is somewhere in the stands. Just keep a whole box full of balls by the umpire because you're going to need all of those. 47 from 16. This is carnage here. Fastest 50 in one-day international history. Sanath Jayasuriya with 17. Yes, ma'am, that's exactly what you saw. 90 meters. There it goes. That's the shot we were talking about. Fine leg was inside the circle. Afridi gets to a 50 from just 18 balls. He's the joint second fastest and he's equal his own record. And he's made no secret of his sponsor. 281 for 5.
36 ODI 50, and what a time to bring it on for his team. It was a poor delivery. It's been put away. And they know how important this knock is for Pakistan. Terrific innings from Shahid Afridi.
Up in the air, who's going to claim it? It's gone to short cover. He drops it. Mushfiqur Rahim puts it down.
It's gone up, way up in the air, and it was Mushfiqur Rahim. Look at the crowd, knowing that it's going to be taken. It's not. It's dropped. Would you believe it? It's the captain, Mushfiqur Rahim. In and out. They cannot believe it. Look at the reaction.
Oh, that's a fine shot. That is a tremendous shot because it's also a very clever shot.
What a shot that is. Out of nowhere, just scooped it on the legs. That has gone all the way for his 7-6. Magnificent. Innovative. Yes, he is in a lot of pain, but he still managed to pick up a 6.
Now he's going to struggle. It is a directed for Afridi. He was struggling to get there. Should he have taken it? They are celebrating the Bangladeshis like they won a cricket match. There's still time left. There's so much drama in it. I think he's gone. He's gone by 6 inches, Afridi.